Our mechanic's always like, hey man, these brakes need changing. Hey man, look, you need to get out of there.
Let's get this straight. Vehicle maintenance is no fucking joke. There is a reason why I'm paid quite a bit of money per hour just to fucking work on your car. Because if you neglect a vital component, i.e., brakes, tires, or what have you, of your vehicle and you cause a crash or you take a life, that's on you, motherfucker. And as a mechanic, as someone who holds this knowledge, I'm gonna let you know if your shit's failing. Because you also drive on the same roads my family drives and multiple other families drive. And if you get into an accident because you denied work that needed to be done, and I told you about it, I'm gonna look at you like you got a dick growing out of your head. My car alone is 5,200 pounds. Average male adult is 220. And the only thing stopping you from slamming into shit is your brakes.